Hi, welcome to Erideescakes. Today we have a cupcake recipe. This recipe takes 11 ingredients and you do not need a mixer. All you need is a bowl and a spatula. Today we will be working with all-purpose flour. Let's get started with our ingredients. First, we're going to start with our dry ingredients. Add 1 cup plus 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Our next ingredients are 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Give this a good mix. Mix it around, I would say 5 or 6 times. Put it aside. On a separate bowl, add your 1 egg plus 1 egg white. Add 1 plus 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, mix well. We're gonna add 1.5 cup of buttermilk plus 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Next ingredient is 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted. Mix. We're almost done. We're gonna add our 1 cup of sugar. And we are done. Bring back your dry ingredients and we're going to start adding your dry ingredients little by little and mix 5 or 6 times, and you're going to start folding, mixing and folding motions. Your cupcake batter should look something like this. This recipe is one of my favorites. I love them. My babies love them. They're so good and fluffy and moist. Bake your cupcakes at 425 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Reduce the heat to 350 Fahrenheit and bake for 12 minutes.